Hello and welcome to another episode on the Crypto DeFi Spot. I'm your host Jasmine, and today we're going to be diving into the world of tokenomics and Ponzinomics. Before we begin, we would like to remind our viewers that we are not financial advisors, and the information provided in this video is for educational purposes only. Tokenomics is the study of the economics of tokens within a blockchain network. Tokens serve as a means of exchange, unit of account, and store of value. The design of a token's economy can greatly impact its success and adoption. In the world of crypto and DeFi, tokens are often used to represent ownership in a particular project or platform. The success of a token's economy depends on various factors, such as the total supply of tokens, how tokens are distributed, and how they are used within the platform. One key aspect of tokenomics is the token distribution, which is the process of distributing tokens to users. A fair distribution can help ensure a decentralized network with a broad user base and adequate liquidity. On the other hand, an unfair distribution can lead to centralization and a potential manipulation of the token's value. Another important aspect of tokenomics is the token supply, which is the total number of tokens that will exist. A limited supply can help increase the value of tokens over time, as demand grows and the supply remains constant. A token with an unlimited supply, on the other hand, can lead to dilution and decreased value. Ponzinomics is a term used to describe the economics of Ponzi schemes in the world of crypto and DeFi. A Ponzi scheme is a fraudulent investment scheme that promises high returns but uses new investors' funds to pay returns to existing investors. In the world of crypto and DeFi, Ponzi schemes often take the form of yield farming, where users are promised high returns for staking or depositing their tokens. Unfortunately, these schemes are often designed to benefit only the creators and early investors at the expense of the latecomers. The economics of Ponzi schemes are unsustainable as they rely on a constant influx of new investors to pay returns to existing ones. Eventually, the scheme collapses, leaving the majority of investors with worthless tokens and significant losses. In rare cases, the developer of a Ponzinomics protocol will create some sort of utility for the token in an attempt to turn the Ponzi scheme's native token into something that the investors can actually utilize for other purposes. To avoid falling victim to Ponzi schemes, it's important to do your own research and carefully evaluate the token economics and underlying projects before investing. It's also wise to be wary of projects that promise high returns with little risk, as these are often red flags for Ponzi schemes. In conclusion, tokenomics and Ponzinomics are critical components of the crypto and DeFi space, impacting the success and sustainability of tokens and projects. Understanding the design and economics of tokens can help you make informed investment decisions while avoiding potential scams and Ponzi schemes. Well, that's all for today. If you liked what you learned, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more informative and educational content like this. Thanks again for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.